Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. Now, sadly, I couldn't upload yesterday because I did go camping over the weekend with my girl and her family, so that was really fun. I did manage to upload on Saturday though, so that's pretty good. But I failed my 2-day streak of uploading. I was trying to upload like one day yes, one day no. But here I am today with another upload and we got a banger. We're back with the blind buying sessions, and this time I got 3 cheapies, hyped but cheapies that I blind bought to see if they're actually worth it. Now I did buy more than that. I had to buy some more Latafa Cambras, Latafa Cambra Kawa, Latafa Al-Nashama, a bunch of refills just because I already sold out like my bottles on my sampling website. So I do gotta refill those. So I did spend around $300 on just refilling. So here's everything I got. I got another bottle of Game of Spades Win because I'm about to run out. I got another bottle, my 4th bottle of Game of Spades Full House because I ran out of 3 full bottles. And this one, I already opened it because I got a lot of samples waiting for this one. So, you know, I couldn't keep them waiting anymore. I had to use, it's already like 1/10 of the way gone, my new bottle. I got Latafa Cambra, the original. I got Latafa Cambra Kawa. I got Latafa Al-Nashama because I'm about to run out of all of these. But we don't care about these. Let's put these away because I'm not here to promote my sampling website. I'm here to unbox new colognes. So here are the brand new ones that I got. I got Afnan Electric, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce this one. I know there's something before electric, but I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I already forgot the word. We got Missoni Wave, which you guys have been recommending me in the comments, claiming that this is one of the best cheapies, so we're about to find out. And of course, I got Rasasi Hawas Black because I do got almost every Rasasi Hawas except the original one, and I needed this one to complete the collection and find out which one is the best Rasasi Hawas. So let's start with the newest one, the one from Afnan, the electric one. This one has been getting a lot of hype on TikTok, so let's see if it's worth it or if it's just another one of those random clones that gets really popular because they paid a lot of TikTokers to promote the shit out of it. Let's unbox it. Let's see. Okay, there's the bottle. It's a weird bottle shape, like it looks like a torso, like a Jean-Paul Gaultier, buffered version of Jean-Paul Gaultier, you know, with the broad shoulders like a football player. So definitely an interesting bottle. This is the word that I cannot pronounce, the Turathi, Afnan Turathi Electric, so whatever it's called. I'm not here for English class, pronunciation class. I can't even pronounce pronunciation, like come on now. I'm just here to smell smelly water, like, you know, those are my credentials. So let's see if the hype is actually worth it. Here we go. Hold up, bro. I have this cologne already. This smells straight up like Latafa Arts of Universe. What the hell, bro? It smells straight up like this one, Latafa Arts of Universe. Right away I get the fruity pear. I know it's supposed to be like a fresh summer scent, but I get the same exact fruity opening, and I recognize it because of the pear note, because I'm just not the biggest fan of pear. I prefer more apple if you're gonna go that direction. So it's safe to assume that this is a clone of Blue Talisman by X and Halo, which, I mean, it makes so much sense. You know, it's so popular right now on TikTok. It's becoming the new Louis Vuitton imagination. So every single brand's gonna, you know, throw out their clone of it. Latafa did it, Afnan did it, and I'm sure there's like millions of other clone brands that did it that I just don't know about. I didn't even know about Latafa Arts of Universe, and when I saw all the TikTokers hyping it up, they were, you know, just describing it as fresh, amazing for the summer, but none of them told me that it was a clone of X and Halo Blue Talisman. That's what I mean when I'm saying like these TikTokers get paid to promote the hell out of this one, but they're not honest about it. I'm sure some people did, you know, notice the similarities, but I just didn't, I didn't know about it. So I'll probably rate it the same as this one, like a solid 6.57 for right now. Obviously they smell too similar to like be able to compare them at all. So I would have to wear both of these to see which one like performs better, develops better, dries down a little bit better. But for right now, it's a little bit of a disappointment. I was expecting something different, you know, a little bit unique. But what can I expect from Afnan? They always do clones, and they gotta clone the most popular thing going on right now. Next up, let's unbox Rasasi Hawas Black. Let's see if I've been missing out on the best Hawas or if this one's a complete waste of money. You know, I've heard mixed feelings about this one, so what better way to find out than to smell it myself. Let's see. Okay, so the bottle, so the liquid itself, it's not black. The bottle is black. The liquid is more like brown. Looks like a, you know, Hasaro, the most wanted parfum type of color. I thought the liquid was actually black. I got no idea what to expect of this one. I did search it up on Fragrantica, but I completely forgot the notes. So this one's gonna be just a complete surprise. Let's find out if it's actually worth my 35 bucks. Okay, yeah, I like this one. It's way different. Maybe not way different, but like pretty different to the other ones. Obviously, this one's probably gonna be a little bit less for summer. Most of the Hawas are for summer, like the ice, the fire, the original one, and of course the tropical one. Actually, let me spray this one on skin. I wanna smell it pretty good. More of like a mysterious, alluring smell, maybe a little bit leaning towards fall. Kind of reminds me, I'm not saying they smell similar, but more of like a, this one compares to the other Hawas, like if the other ones are an Acqua di Gio and this one is more of an Armani Code. Hopefully that makes sense. Now it doesn't smell like leather or, you know, some gourmand smell. It smells still pretty chemically like. It smells smooth, subtle, nothing poppy, nothing nuclear like that, nothing like strong. Like a fruity smokiness with some masculinity and some incense. So I don't know how I feel about it. I was just surprised with the opening. I thought it was gonna be like another, just, you know, the same DNA with a little bit of a twist. This one is pretty different in my opinion. From the first impressions, I'm not gonna be able to rate it appropriately, but for right now it's gonna be like a 6 out of 10. I gotta have the full experience to rate it, so don't take these ratings properly, you know, don't take them seriously. These are just first impressions from the first sniff. We all know that the second sniff, the third sniff changes a lot. And so finally we got Missoni Wave. This one is like pretty old. It's not new like these two. It's not new at all. This one has been an OG, one of the best cheapies recommended by every single YouTuber, but somehow it has avoided me. And people claim it smells like Versace Pour-Homme and Chanel Allure Sport. So I'm definitely excited to see if it's actually true. Okay. Bro, let me get my bottle. Damn, bro. Okay, so it does have a magnetic cap, which is always... Okay, maybe the magnet is not that strong, but look, it's still magnetic, which is always appreciated. I do love magnetic caps, but that's enough messing around. Let's test out my new Missoni Wave. It's a big ass bottle. It's a 3.4 ounce for around $42, so a pretty good deal if you're on a budget, or if you just want to buy cologne and not spend a lot of money, because who wants to spend money on scented water? Come on now. Yup, I'm liking this one so far. I get the lemon, the citruses, the opening with the wave. I get the waves in this one. I get the watery notes, the ocean. It smells like a typical blue fragrance, but there's something good about blue fragrances that even though I know I was just ranting about this one and about me wanting something unique, but also I said I want something that smells really good. And if you're a boring blue fragrance, but you make it smell so good, I don't care. I'm gonna be wearing this one. This one I can already see myself taking it to the gym and to the beach or something like that, even though I don't go to the beach a lot. But like whenever my girl forces me to go to the beach or something, this one's already a good option. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Right now, obviously a bunch of alcohol coming out, and this is the first spray, and I'm sniffing it straight up from my arm. But I can see the potential of this one. I can see why it gets so much hype on TikTok, on YouTube, since like 2019 or something like that. I don't even know when it was released, but I swear I've been seeing this one for a long time. A solid 7 out of 10, especially for being pretty cheap. I can see like, I can recommend this one to like a beginner, you know, like if my cousin is starting to get into fragrances and he's like, I want a blue fragrance, but I don't want to spend $100 plus on Chanel, on Dior Sauvage, on YSL, that I could recommend to beginners or to you guys for a cheap price. So I'm pretty happy with my brand new colognes. This one doesn't count. I had to get this one because it's so hyped online. It's new and I had to review it. I had to get this one because I got to complete the Rasasi Hawas collection, and you guys have been asking me to review this one, so I had to listen to you guys and find out what the hype was all about. Now stay tuned for the next blind buying sessions. I'm gonna go huge. Like I said, my cologne sampling business, which you guys can sample these ones, they're gonna be on my sampling website, link in the description. It has been doing pretty good, so thank you to you guys. But I'm just reinvesting it all, so stay tuned for the next blonde buying sessions. I'm gonna do a niche blonde buying session. I'm gonna get some Monsteras. I got Search of Naxos on the way. It is because of you that I can keep buying scented water. You know, I don't gotta spend my hard-earned paychecks, at least not as much. I still use a lot of money from my paychecks to buy colognes, but you guys do help me out a lot, and in return I can give you honest reviews on these colognes. It's a win-win, a revolving circle, everyone wins. So thank you so much, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any of these colognes, which one is your favorite one. Just smell better.